Howdy you all. Well, today I'm doing one of my favourite things, an unboxing and review, and I've got a parcel here from ZHIYUN, and they reached out to me if I would review one of their products. So this of course is a I guess you could say a review or a paid review, so this will be really brilliant. So I'll get this open and we'll have a bit of a look at what we've got here. Okay, so we're having some fun getting this open. Oh, that's good. It's got a mounting, so that's really brilliant. So I don't know, when you're using tripods and holders and camera holders, you can never have enough mounts, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's good to see that we've got a mount included. And a USB cord, uses USB-C by the look of it. Instructions, and it's called the ZHIYUN Fiveray M40SE Light. Oh, it certainly looks a really nice light, and band cooled, so that's really brilliant. Oh, it does work quite well, and it's you can adjust the light temperature here. It does have its own battery, so that's really useful. So turning it on and off with the adjuster here, and you can adjust the brightness. And it certainly does give a good light output, so we're going to try it during the evening. So just stay tuned for when I film the next part of this video, and I'll do that at night. And the battery pack is rechargeable, so that's a huge help there. And so many of the other lights that I've had are not rechargeable. I've had to go with a power bank and connect a power bank, so that's a definite bonus. And we do have a silicone, I believe it's a light diffuser.
Lock the doors, kill the lights, keep your movement focused, keep it tight. Hands up, reach out, grab the energy, pull it down, feel the sudden gravity. Left side, right side, sink the flow. When the pressure drops, just let it go, let it go.
Okay, so I've now gone outside just to test out my new ZHIYUN light, and of course I'm out in the student garden area, and we have the light turned off, and now just turning it on and increasing the brightness, and it certainly does give a lovely range, and decreasing the brightness. I'll walk out into the shadows a bit more and you can really see the result. So increasing the brightness, and I'll just change the light colour. So you can just see the difference between the warmer tones and the cooler tones. And it is showing up the student gardens beautifully. Oh, we'll have to give things a bit of a water. It's looking a bit dry here. And there's a couple of weeds coming. But it is bringing up the colours of the gardens beautifully. So I think this light is a definite win. And what I love about it is that it contains its own battery, so I don't need to have a separate power bank to plug it into. And it is giving a really wonderful range. I could actually use this as a flashlight as well as a filming light, so awesome. So just to have a bit of a walk around and a further test with this ZHIYUN light, ZHIYUN filming light. And it really does chase all the shadows away beautifully, as you can see under these trees. So a big thumbs up for that one, and I definitely do recommend it. Well, that's interesting. I've just got the light shining directly on me, and yeah, it's certainly working in this fashion too. And of course, I think a good idea just to reduce the light intensity for that. So if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. Also, please do share my video out with all your family and friends. I would love something to go ballistic viral. Also, please do check out my merch store, links down below in the description. And there's also a shopping tab here on my channel. Also, please do consider becoming a member of my channel, and if I think of it, I'll paste my members up in screen. Anyways, it is time to call it. My skin's still a mess with this treatment that I'm doing, so I'll keep you updated with that. But time to call it a day, so take care, be blessed, and until next time, bye-bye.
I started this channel in 2019, just sharing my cooking with the world. Oh my goodness, look at this incredible place. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're making some amazing Asian favorites. I'm so excited about this next place. Wow, look at that sunset. And the energy here is incredible. I'm so excited to share this. Look at this incredible market. Isn't it beautiful? With me to these amazing festivals. ZHIYUN Days. I am so incredibly grateful for my early followers, and to our new friends, thank you for joining us.
Now we've done it. The future is now. Let's aim for the big 100K milestone.
Join the Viking Ventures today.
Wicked good. We did that.
We're a Boston fire, burning hotter than the sun. Deep in my faith, my family, we get the job done. We stand up tall for the American way. Old-fashioned values never fade away. For my buddies, for my bay, yeah, we live or die. Tough guys, sweethearts beneath the crimson sky. This ain't a game, this is the Boston fire. Cruising Mass Ave, headlights. the wall. From the concrete jungle to the victory hall. Loyalty, respect, that's the code we live by. Don't need permission to reach for the sky. We work hard, play hard every single night. Muscle car rumble, making everything right. Old school, new sound, baby, can't be denied. With you by my side, I got nothing to hide. Are we lost in fire, burning hotter than the sun? Defend my faith, my family, we get the job